Let's solve few example before we move on to the exercise problems. Okay. So first example, I'll just write a 2 cross 2 matrix and I want you to find the determinant. Of course, I'm going to solve it, but if you can solve on your own, that will be awesome. Okay. See the first one, say matrix A is equal to 1, 5, 8, 7. Say this is the matrix. Now I'm trying to figure out the determinant value. Correct? Now if you guys you can pause it and you can calculate it, or otherwise have a look into it. We'll solve it together. So determinant of A becomes, remember we started off with A11 into A22. In the sense we calculated this into this. Multiply these two. And then after that we did this into this. Multiply these two. Subtraction, isn't it? So in the first case, what do? We take 1 into 7. That means in the beginning we take this 1 into 7. Isn't it? Then you have minus. Then in the next case we do this 8 into 5, correct? So the next one becomes 8 into 5. Now you calculate 7 minus 40. So determinant of A is equal to minus 33. Now this is for a 2 cross 2 matrix. Now we'll do it for a 3 cross 3 matrix. Let's take a matrix. Suppose say you have a matrix A is equal to say 5, 1, 0, minus 2, 3, 1, 7, 2, 9. Say this is this is matrix A. Now we are trying to calculate the determinant of this particular matrix, correct? So we'll start with determinant of A is equal to, now what did we do? First you have to take 5, don't consider the row, do not consider the column. The other 4 elements we have to take the determinant of that, correct? So now what do? 5 into determinant of 3, 1, 2, 9. This is the first one. Second, after that we have to take a minus sign. So minus. The next one is what? You take 1, cancel the row, cancel the column. Minus 2, 1, 7, 9. So what do we do now? 1 into determinant of minus 2, 1, 7, 9. Then the last one, 0. Take off the row, take off the column. Minus 2, 3, 7, 2. Correct? So here you are going to have, but in between what are you going to have? You are going to have a plus 0 into determinant of minus 2, 3, 7, 2. Correct? Now, this becomes 5 into this 3 into 9. 3 into 9 minus, see, 2 into 1. 2 into 1. 3 into 9 minus 2 into 1. Minus 1 into this into this. Minus 2 times 9. This into this. Minus 7 into 1. Plus 0 into. Guys, 0 into anything is what? It's always 0, correct? That means the last term I don't even have to consider because it's going to become 0 anyways. No point in again adding, subtracting, multiplication. No point at all because 0 into anything is 0. So the last term becomes 0. Very, very easy. Now the next one here. This is going to become 5 into 27 minus 2 minus 1 into minus 18 minus 7. So this becomes 5 into 25 minus 1 into minus 25. Correct. Now minus of minus becomes plus. So you have 5 into 25 plus 1 into 25, which basically is 6 into 25. So final answer becomes 6 into 25. Correct? 6 into 25 is 150. This is the final answer for this example. That means the determinant of the given matrix is 150. Now that you have understood the example to both the examples, now we'll solve few questions, few textbook questions we'll solve, few problems which you can expect in the exam. Those kind of problems we are going to solve right now. Look at the question, guys. There are 3 questions. We'll start with 3 questions, alright? Look at the first one, determinant. Again, it's a 2 cross 2 matrix, correct? We'll start from the first one. See, determinant of x square minus x plus 1, x minus 1, x plus 1 and x plus 1. Now what do? You multiply these two, multiply these two and subtract each other, correct? So determinant of A is equal to x square minus x plus 1 into x plus 1 minus x plus 1 into x minus 1. Okay. Now if you look at this formula, see this formula, and if you look at this one, both of them are algebraic identities if you guys remember. Now x plus 1 into this is what? X cube plus 1, x cube plus 1 cube minus of x square minus 1, a plus b into a minus b. So final result is going to become x cube minus x square. See, plus 1 minus of minus 1 is also plus 1. So x cube minus x square plus 2. This is going to be the final answer for the first one. Now let's move on to the second one. Look at the next one. So in the second one, again, so guys, directly I'll start with this one, but then if you look at it, show that determinant of 3a is 27 times determinant of a, correct? This is the second question. First what we'll do, we'll calculate what is determinant of a, okay? So for determinant of a, we do 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, 0, 0, 4. Determinant of this, so you will get 1 into, see what are you going to do here, 1 into, we'll do 4 into this, this into this, correct? That means here, what we are going to take, we are going to take this small 2 cross 2 matrix, isn't it? So you will have 1 into 4 minus 2 into 0 minus 0 into something, guys, 0 into anything is 0, so fine. Next one is plus 1 into, so now what you are going to do, you are going to take this small matrix. See this one, 0 into 0 minus 1 into 0, answer is going to become 0 anyway, isn't it? So 1 into 0. So both of these terms are cancelling out because it's 0. Now what do you have? 1 into 4 minus 0, which basically is 4. So determinant of A is 4. This is equal to determinant of A. Correct? So let's keep this aside for now, or you can just call this as equation number 1. Keep this. Now 3 times of A. Now what do you do? Let's calculate 3A. See, 3A is going to become 303, 036, 0012. Again, you guys can do this same expansion of the determinant, that is of determinant of 3A now. So determinant of 3A is equal to, see, we can do it directly. 3 into 12 minus 6 into 0 minus 0 into anything. 0 into anything is 0 anyway. Plus 3 into, so now you have to take this small one. 0, 0, obviously 0 minus 0 only you will get. So 3 into 0. This is 0, this is 0. Now what do you get? 3 into 12. 12 into 3 is 36. Isn't it? So what is 3 into 36? 3 into 36 is going to give you 108. Now, see, this is 108. What we'll do, we'll call this as equation number 2. Okay, so this is equation number 2. Now what you have to prove, this value, that is equation 2, is 27 times equation 1. That is what they're asking you to prove. So much easier, right? Because you already know it's the correct answer. 27 into 4 is what? 27 into 4 is 108. And the second equation is also 108. So if I have to show it to you, so what you guys have to write is equation 2 is equal to 27 times equation 1. That means 108 is equal to 27 into 4. 27 into 4. Correct? So we just proved that determinant of 3a is 27 times determinant of a. Fair enough? Let's do the third one now. See the third question. Again, guys, it's the same logic. You have a 3 cross 3 matrix, so you need to expand it, right? So you're going to have 1, 1, minus 2, 2, 1, minus 3, 5, 4, minus 9. Now when you're expanding, so you can start by taking 1 into. So after this, what do? You're going to take this small matrix. You're going to do the cross multiplication, correct? So if you do that, you're going to have 1 into minus 9 minus 4 into minus 3. Okay. Next one, minus 1 into, take off the row, take off the column. This is what you have. So in this one, what you have? 2 into minus 9 minus of, let's put it in a bracket, to be more easier for you. 5 into minus 3. Next, plus minus 2 into 2 into 4 minus 5 into 1. This is what you get. So this becomes 1 into minus 9. See, minus of minus 12 becomes plus 12 minus 1 into minus 18 plus 15. Plus into minus is minus. So minus 2 into 8 minus 5. Got it? So this becomes 3. This becomes 18 minus 15 is again. But this is minus of minus 3, isn't it? So plus 3. Plus 3. Now 3 into 2 is 6. 8 minus 5 is 3. 3 into 2 is 6. Minus 6. What's the final result? Final result is going to become 0. So therefore, determinant of A is equal to 0. Fair enough? So these 3 questions are simple problems, example problems also you can call it. In the next video, we'll solve a few more types of problems or few more problems based on this expansion and finding the unknown value. Okay, so in the next video, you will see another 2 or 3 questions.